Once again, we have the Advantium 240 volt wall oven. Today we're going to try to get a better understanding of the upper and lower elements. To recap, we have the 1500 watt halogen upper element as well as the 500 watt ceramic lower element. I'm going to prepare one of the metal baking trays by coating it with a little vegetable spray. Then we're going to put some regular pancake batter on the tray. Remember, this is only an experiment. I'll now place the cold tray into a cold oven. Try to get that centered. Now I'm going to use the custom speed cook. We'll take it up to 10 minutes. This is just a wild guess on my part. Enter. I'm going to turn the upper element to the maximum setting of 10, the lower element to the maximum setting of 10, so they'll both run full power during the length of the cooking time. I'm going to leave the microwave power at 0, and the convection oven element will be at 0. Neither will be running. That gives a summation of the power levels, and we will start. So the ceramic heater is primarily going to heat the tray from the bottom, while the upper halogen broiling element will heat the top, and we'll see what happens. Okay, 3 minutes have passed. I'm starting to get the smell of cooking pancakes coming from the oven. The cooling fan of the oven is running, but again the only elements are the upper halogen and the lower ceramic heater. The convection and microwave is not being used for this demonstration. I'm starting to see signs of bubbles forming. There may be some browning starting on the edges of the pancakes. Four minutes have elapsed. Almost 5 minutes have elapsed. So now I'm going to check, because I see a lot of browning on the bottom. I don't want them to burn on the bottom. Oh, the bottom is actually looking like it's just about where we want it. I'll turn them over. and resume cooking. Now at this point I can hit the power level, select the lower element, and actually turn it off. So now I've turned off the lower element, so heat is no longer being applied to the underside of the tray. The halogen light's still keeping things warm from the top. 6 minutes have elapsed. I'm going to check once again. And the bottom is down. So there's your demonstration of the Advantium 240 volt wall oven using only the upper halogen and lower ceramic elements to cook some experimental pancakes. Please don't try this at home.